hell is even that?
My brother asked me, why would someone spend $500 on a journal kit? Like, why would any sane person spend $500 on a journal when I can literally go online or to the store and find any plain journal, lined paper, whatever, for like literally $5? Fair. But, I mean, why wouldn't, let's say, for example, throwing the question back to him, why doesn't your girlfriend just, save money, make it easy? Just go to Walmart, buy all her clothes, just get white t-shirts, black leggings. Like, don't complicate it, right? Just go to Walmart. They have, quality enough clothes to wear, it'll keep you warm. Like, what's the point of spending money on all this stuff and buying accessories and jewelry and shopping at all these quote unquote favorite brands and buying all this designer? No. Like, that's honestly unnecessary. Like, you don't even need to buy different clothes. She can literally just buy the same white t-shirt and black leggings. The closet, the American Psycho closet, where it's like all the same, like the same thing, the same shirt, the same suit. Yeah, like she can go to Walmart, buy her a pack of the same t-shirt, the same pair of leggings, the same shoes. Life is simpler that way and a lot cheaper and affordable. So it's like, what's the point? Like, what gives? And going to the mall and online shopping, so like such a waste of money. Like, why not just go to Walmart or Temu and get like the same white t-shirt and wear it every day? I mean, it covers your body. It serves the purpose that clothes are meant for, right? It keeps you decent, right, enclosed, and it shields you from the weather. So yeah, like you don't need beautiful clothes, right? And then he was like, right? You don't need beautiful clothes, right? You don't need to decorate your house, just get a random couch, a nice couch that's gonna last, good quality couch, come on. Get a table. You don't need to put any posters up on your wall in your room. You can keep the walls blank. I mean, they serve the purpose to support the structure of the house. That's like the purpose of walls, right? It's serving its base purpose. Everything else is unnecessary and it's a waste of money, right? Wrong. Because, well, let's bring it back to my dream journal. This journal isn't just like any other journal. This journal isn't just about writing things down and writing for the sake of journaling. It's about enjoying the process of journaling, making it so much more creative and fun and immersive. And at the end of it, having this treasure that you created, a treasure that your grandkids will probably be compelled to read, right? If I passed on a journal to my grandkids of me just, scribbling in a regular college lined ruled notebook, right? I scribbled down all my thoughts and my ideas and I passed it on to my grandkids and I said, hey, here are these 27 college lined ruled notebooks with me just scribbling regular black ink. It's got great information, great stories probably. But when I passed it on to them, 9 times out of 10, I mean, they'd probably take it, they'd appreciate it, maybe flip through a few pages, but, it would probably just end up in an attic somewhere collecting dust before it eventually got lost in, all the chaos of life. Because it's not really, they love the idea and the thought of it, but it's not really a treasure to them. It's not really compelling. It almost seems like, I love the story. The story is amazing. But it's like the way it's presented is just so unpalatable. It's almost like a burden. It's like, okay, if I can get myself to be interested and just read through these stories, and then, okay, I'll probably actually enjoy what this person has written. But when I give my grandkids my dream journals, every page just colored and adorned and beautified, made to reflect who I am and my soul in every single way. I'll bet you if I wrote on the journal, do not touch, do not read, private, and I pass it on to my grandkids and I say, hey, you keep this somewhere safe and you don't read this. This is personal. How much do you want to bet they will have to literally tooth and nail keep themselves, like the struggle from like reading what's inside. They'll be dying to know what's inside the journals, just from the way it looks, just from the way the journals look. They'll be like, oh, I want to read it so bad. If they read one page, it's like you just want to keep turning to the next page and the next page and the next page, and you just keep wanting to see what's next, because it's just so like, oh, it's just so beautiful and so interesting and so dynamic. That is why I'm selling $500 journals and $600 craft boxes. This is exactly why. Is because, like me, some people want to live life in color. Yeah. If you want to be able to make a dream journal just like I've made one, make sure to go over to my Instagram page, Rich Girls Online, and follow. Click the link in my bio and join my email list. The people on this email list will be notified when my Rich Girls Online Dream Journal Kit and craft box goes live, guys. I will probably only have 10 to 15 kits and craft boxes available at the first drop. So first come, first serve. Get on my email list, guys. I have a photo printer. I literally have anything and everything you could ever need to create the most ultimate dream journal kit, guys. Level up your life, get your scripting, take your vision boarding to the next level, and just make it fun.
I need it!
Bye, have a great time.